how to fix iCloud not syncing. So if you want to fix this problem of some iCloud data isn't syncing on your iOS, then what you need to do is first open up your settings. After opening your settings, now as you can see that you'll have some suggestions, your Apple ID suggestions. So you need to tap on your Apple ID and you may have some suggestions with your iCloud data not syncing. So in my case, my data is not full and I don't have that issue. But if it is full, then you will have some suggestions from Apple to sync your data, because the iCloud data will not sync if you don't have enough storage. So if you get that kind of interface, then you just need to simply tap on that option. And once you tap on the option which says some iCloud data isn't syncing, then it will ask you to resume data sync. So if you stop the data sync, then you will get this problem. So you just need to simply tap on resume data sync, and once you tap on it, it will ask you for your Apple ID password. So you need to tap on the password bar and then enter your Apple ID password, and after that you need to enter your Apple ID password and then your iPhone passcode or your lock, and then resume your data sync. And after resuming your data sync, your problem will be fixed. It will not show iCloud not syncing option. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.